Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. No, I'm not making a bag of paper. Today I wanted to share our Bration offering. So if you've been around me or around Stampin' Up for any length of time, you'll know that every year Stampin' Up does a special offer that happens. It has previously happened January, February and March, and that's called Bration, where if you spend £45 you can choose a free stamp set, or if you spend over a certain amount you get special stamping rewards. So it could be a free stamp set or it could be boosted rewards, and then there's always a joining offer so that when you join you get something extra additionally for free. And this year for the first time they've decided to extend Bration but split it in two. So rather than being 3 months at the beginning of the year, we had 2 months, January and February, and we've got a second one coming August and September, which is brilliant because it's perfectly timed to join alongside our new mini catalogue that launches in August as well. And the reason I say that is because the joining offer, and I can't show you the Bration brochure, but I've got it in front of me so that I make sure I get my facts right. The joining offer this year is you pay £99 to join, you choose £130 worth of anything that you like, and you will also get, oh that's the wrong page, a bundle as well for free. And there are 12 bundles from the new mini catalogue that you can choose from. So I'm just going to read a couple of names. Frosted Gingerbread, it's as gorgeous as it sounds. Whimsical Trees, also gorgeous. Arctic Bears, adorable. So there are 12 bundles and they are from the new mini catalogue. So it's not bundles from the annual catalogue, it's from the mini catalogue. But alongside that, obviously, we have the free offering, and we've got they call it hosting, but obviously many people don't host parties. They actually are happy shoppers for themselves and host their own mini party. And so there's a free stamp set, and that kicks in when you've spent £275, and it's fabulous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the catalogue one by one and share everything. I mean, this is fully loaded. We've got 4 paper packs. So this is the one that comes at the start. It's called Be Dazzling. Glittery paper, perfect for special occasion accents. And it really is lovely. I'm going to see if I can slowly move up so that you can see the texture. Can you see all of that? So it's not glitter randomly dumped. There's very much a geometrical design, and it's gorgeous. It's not gold. It's well, actually, they're calling it champagne. I hadn't realised they'd actually named it champagne. It's very, very pretty. And when I opened my box, my packs of this happened to be sat on top, and I was like, "Ooh, where's that one from?" Okay, next up. That one's called Penguin Playmates, and this works extraordinarily well with this little guy. It works with a new stamp and punch bundle that we've got, and I'm so excited to use this. Literally, this arrived with me yesterday my time, so about a week before you're seeing it, but it's so much fun. I love that. I believe you can punch some of the penguins out, and I'm going to suggest it's probably that one. So fun, and this is free. Both of those, everything I'm going to show you is free. You get it for just shopping. I love Bration. I really, really do. And I love that this one is very much focused on working with, well, it feels very focused on working with the Christmassy theme. It's not exclusively Christmas, but you know, my favourite time of year, winter, specifically Christmas. That would be me. So that's playful. That's Penguin Playmates. So free with your order of £45. This one also free with a £45 order. So in euros, it's €60. Okay, next one up is a stamp set called Feels Like Home. So this one isn't so much the Christmassy, but it's very nice. It's a red rubber, and there we go. It's focused now. Just lovely. It's a beautiful one for colouring in. Your friendship feels like home to me. I'm always and forever here for you. I can't thank you enough. Missing you. Just beautiful details on it. Again, let me see if I can get close enough. Just gorgeous, and yeah, free. Okay, next one, we've got another paper pack. This one's called Beautifully Penned, and it coordinates with the hand-penned petals bundle, which you all know and I love from the annual catalogue. So this works alongside that, and it's all black and white. And I'm a bit of a fan of black and white. Oh, okay, so how many? 4 each of 3 double-sided designs. So there's 3 designs. That's one with the reverse. That's the other with the reverse. Ooh, ooh, that's nice. And this one, I'm sure we've got it in the fresh freezer in that paper pack. But it's nice with this sort of watercolour wash. And that's the other side of it. And yeah, seriously, a massive fan of black and white paper. So yeah, and it's nice actually that you've got 4 sheets of it. I don't know if anybody's like me, but I use up one sheet thinking, oh, well, I've got another sheet, and then I don't cut into the other sheet. It's paper, I can buy more. But having 4, brilliant. So that was called Beautifully Penned. I guess to remind you, it goes with hand penned. The next one, this one's called Peaceful Prince. And this little guy, when I turn him over, coordinates with a bundle from the annual catalogue. Not the annual catalogue, the mini catalogue. And that bundle features this guy. So, I'm a happy girl. I love a punch. So this is, yeah, this is 2 each of the papers. So there's one. Oh, wow. Lovely check on the background. Silver birch and candy canes. Oh, there's a song in that, isn't there? I'm not going to sing it. It would be dreadful. Snowflakes and some more tartan. I'm not going to get into the whole plaid tartan debate again this year. It's plaid. It's spelt like braid. Green trees. That's a lovely green. What green is that? Garden green. It's garden green, cherry cobbler, real red, basic black and Sahara sand. Green snowflakes. That's a new one on me. And pine needles. And those lovely leaping deer. And more check on the back. And you know what I like about this deer? Is that the antlers are there, but you could almost, to a degree, turn it into other animals. I reckon. Maybe? Or maybe you just have doe and a deer and a fawn. I don't know, but it looked kind of like a sheep a bit to me. Right, so that's that one. Now, the next one is called Counting Sheep, which is possibly why I was thinking that looks like a little lamb. So Counting Sheep is free with a £45 order, and it does have matching dies called sheep dies, and they're free also with a £45 order. So spend £90 and you get both. And the dies fit the 3 sheep, and you've got a gate. And I like to see that it's a 5-bar gate. Perfect. And a little flag. I'm guessing that's a party hat. We've got a sun. We've got a couple of clouds. And I like the font of that. You're amazing. So glad it's your birthday. And it's fun. It's fun. Red rubber again. Brilliant. Oh, I love a die stamp bundle. And I love a die stamp bundle that I can get for free. Okay. Move those ones on. The next one is one called Textures and Frames, and I really want to show you what it looks like, except I managed to forget to order it, and I ordered quite a lot of paper because I had a big pre-order and somehow missed that one stamp set, but I'll be getting it again. I'll be doing another order. Right, then we've got some dies here. These are called Summer Shadow dies, and they coordinate with the Shaded Summer stamp set, which is in the annual catalogue. And these are a £90 order. But there's a lot of dies, and they build these 3D flowers. So you get the texture there, and you get a bit of texture there, and then you get the outline. And like I say, they go with Shaded Summer. Let me grab that one. That's this one that they coordinate with, so you can see how it works. And that outline die there will cut this one, and that one, that outline will cut this one. So if you've used this stamp set, I've used it, I love it, but you wish you had dies for it, now you will. Okay, let me pop that one away. And then a couple more. So we've got another stamp set. This is a big one. So this is called Delicate Dahlias, or Dahlias, however you want to say it. This is quite a big set. And this is that way around. And this is with a £90 order. So it's a highly detailed one here, but also this distinctive ink style here. I love it. Look at that. I mean, that's like, well, you could, well, I was going to say you could pass it off as having drawn it yourself, but that would be fibbing, which would not be good. But yeah, just gorgeous. So you could layer that over there, or you could colour that, or you could just do that, and it's just gorgeous. And I'm looking at the samples in front of me in the brochure, just brilliant. And then the last one is the free stamp set that you get when you spend over £275, which is €375. And that is this huge in your words stamp set. So there are loads of phrases. This, and I love that they're all different different fonts. Is it me, or is that a very similar font to the font for the program Bewitched that was, I don't know, was that 60s or 70s? I don't know. I only ever watched the replay. Is it me, or is that the font? It's very similar, isn't it? But they're all different fonts. I love it. That's very 70s. That would be perfect for me. I was born in the 70s. Perhaps the stars are openings where our loved ones shine down to let us know they're happy. Oh, that's lovely. Sending this card for no particular reason. Very much a typewriter font. I see you and you are wonderful. There is magic in every beginning. That font is very magical. Oh, look, I'm moving it where you can't see it. That was the typewriter font. Hope your day is fantabulistic, fabulous and fantastic all in one. I love that. Happy birthday. Be who you were born to be. Hope this card makes you smile. Your birthday came, your birthday went. Here is the card I should have sent. And then this one, life is full of ups and downs. Hold on tight. I just think that's lovely. And like I say, you can only get any of these for free. You can't buy them, but you get this one for free with your big workshop order. And then that is it. Yeah. So other than that one stamp set that I can't show you, let me go back to it. It's called Textures and Frames. The clue's in the name. The textures are textured and the frames are, I'd say they're textured frames. I'll get one soon. But I'm so excited. So 4 packs of paper, 2 die sets, and 5 stamp sets. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. I'm so excited. I'm like a giddy kipper. Can't wait. Anyway, Celebration starts on the 3rd of August until the end of September. So it's just for 2 months. So I will be getting catalogues out to everybody. I do this every year. I can send them to the UK, the Netherlands, France, Germany and Austria. So if you would like a free copy of the catalogue, the mini catalogue and the Celebration catalogue, let me know. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Anybody else excited for Celebration, or just me? No, we all are. Bye.